Hi everyone, here's a video of how I ran the string lights on my pavilion. I got a lot of questions about where I purchased the lights from and how I ran it. Let's take a look. So these are the Feit Electric LED string lights from Costco. They are 48 feet in length. They are on sale sometimes. Normally $49.99. You can find them on sale for $39.99 at a certain time of the year, and sometimes they are out of stock. So if you see them, I would suggest to grab them. This is the front look of my pavilion. You can see the lights are nicely aligned. It's not all over the place. I'm using a total of 2 sets. These lights are good for indoor and outdoor use, suitable for wet locations. The bulbs are shatter resistant. It could connect up to 45 sets and only uses 24 watts per set. Let's take a quick walk around and see what it looks like, and then I'll show you guys how I route it. Starting from the back, we have posts 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting from the top of post number 1, that's where I draw electricity, and that's where I plug it in. I have an extension cord going kind of like alongside the gutter. So for the first set of string light, that's going to be very simple. Just going to go from post number 1 over there, come over to post number 2, and then from post number 2 to post number 3, and then from post number 3 to post number 4 right here, and then from post number 4 back to post number 1. So that would be your first set of string lights. Your second set of string lights starts right here, and then it's gonna go through the 5 truss assemblies. So on the left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're gonna go through the truss assemblies on the left. Then you're gonna go around to the middle, run it all the way back to the last truss. So you could start attaching them to the right hand side right here, all the way through, and then we're gonna want to bring it up and over. So it's gonna go up, attached to the very top, and then it's gonna come back down, and it's gonna end on the inside where you have an open outlet. So you can plug in maybe like a phone charger or maybe even a TV. So let's do a quick recap. We're gonna start out on the front, post number 1, and then we're just gonna go around to 2, 3, and 4 back to post number 1. And then we're gonna go through the truss assemblies on the left hand side, through the middle, back to the right. And then we're gonna take it all the way through, up to the very top, back down, and this is where we're gonna end up. The extra outlet comes pretty handy. Yep, so this is my setup, and this video is actually shot. This is about 2 years after I have this pavilion set up. I was just getting a lot of comments on YouTube about where I get the lights and how I ran them. So I just thought I'd make a video and to show you guys how I did it. I think it looks pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think. A quick note, I did add 4 floodlights to each corner because I thought it just wasn't bright enough for me, and these are also available at Costco. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.